The Sunan of Wudu, Ablution. The word Sunan is the plural of Sunnah, which means acts that were sometimes done by the Prophet ﷺ but are not obligatory. He did not scold anyone for not doing them. Wudu involves many acts of Sunnah. The most important Sunan of Wudu are: 1. Saying Bismillah. 2. Washing the hands 3 times at the beginning before inserting them into the container, i.e., in the case of making wudu from a container rather than a water tap. 3. Using the miswak, which is a twig used as a toothbrush for dental hygiene. 4. Gargling 3 times. 5. Sniffing water into the nose and blowing it out 3 times. 6. Saturating a thick beard with water by inserting a handful of water from underneath and then combing it with the fingers. 7. Wiping the entire head once. 8. Passing the wet fingers of one hand into the gaps between the fingers of the other hand. 9. Rubbing the ears with new water, i.e., not the water left over from wiping the head. 10. Washing each limb 3 times. 11. Beginning with the right hand side when rinsing the hands and feet. 12. Rubbing the limbs with water. This means to rub the hands over the body parts of wudu with water while washing. 13. Performing the actions of wudu one after the other, i.e., washing each body part of wudu before the previous one dries. 14. Washing more than the required areas. Example: washing part of the forehead and washing above the elbows and the ankles. On the Day of Judgment, Allah's servants will be noticeable by the lights on their faces and body parts that they used to wash in wudu, so it is preferable to exceed the limits of the required areas while washing the body parts of wudu so that one would elongate his streaks of light on the Day of Judgment. 15. Using an appropriate amount of water for ablution, neither wasting water nor being miserly with it. 16. Facing the Qibla. 17. Avoiding talking while performing wudu. 18. Reciting the 2 declarations of faith after completing wudu.